Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your civics textbook. So, dear children, yesterday we have seen about the urban administration, and we have also talked about the various urban administration and their roles. Okay, for smooth functioning of our city, country, or district. Okay. Then we have also seen example of roads. Okay, we have seen the national highways. Okay, national highways are maintained by or take care by the you can say the national authorities. Then village roads and district roads were take care by the or look after by the municipality. Okay, so these all are the vital functions of the urban administration. Then yesterday we have also discussed one scene. Okay, that some kids are playing. Okay, and accidentally what happened, that a girl named Rehana hits the ball very hard. Okay, and what happened then? He just broke the street light. Okay, then they all are getting worried because they thought that now we have to pay for this. Okay, because last week what happened? They broke Nimala Mausi's window and they have to spend their all pocket money. Okay, to fix fix that window. Okay, so they are just worried that what now, what is the result of that now. Okay, that means they broke that street light. Now they are so worried about this. So Rehana's house was the closest and they ran and told her mother what had happened. Okay, then they just told her mother that what had happened. Then Rehana's mother said, I don't really know these things in a great detail. Okay, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. Okay, that means that work done by the municipal corporation. Okay, the best person to ask would be Yasmin Khala. Okay, so she just retired from the municipal corporation. Go and ask her, and Rehana come back home soon. Okay, then the Rehana's mother suggest them to go to the Yasmin Khala. Okay, because she was the worker from municipal corporation. Okay, Yasmin Khala lived in the same lane, and she and Rehana's mother were good friends. Okay, the children ran to Khala's house, and when she opened the door, they began to tell her what had happened all at once. Okay, then they begin to start their story. They began to explain their story. When they asked about the street light, Yasmin Khala laughed and said, there is no one person that you can pay the money to. Okay, there is a big organization called municipal corporation that takes care of street light. Okay, that means it is not that street light is not owned by one particular person. Okay, there behind that very big organization. Okay, then for example, the municipal corporation that takes care of street light, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean. Okay, so all are the very important functioning of the municipal corporation. Okay, so I have heard about the municipal corporation. They have put up signs around the city to inform people about malaria. Okay, said Mala. Okay, so this is all about the public. You can see the public awareness for the people to get you can say the to overcome the disease of malaria. Okay, then yes, you are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that diseases, okay, do not break out in the city. Okay, they just do people aware of okay, avoid littering, so that they are just be safe from the disease like malaria. And it also runs schools, hospitals and dispensaries. Okay, that means pharmacies, and makes gardens and maintain them. Okay, said Yasmin Khala. Then she added, our city Pune is a big city, and so here it is called the municipal corporation. Okay, because this Pune, that they are from the city Pune, and as you know that Pune is very much big city, so the all the operation functioned by the municipal corporation. Okay, in smaller towns it is called the municipal council. Okay, but when it is come under the small town, okay, small village, okay, the matter handled by the municipal council. Okay, so this is the ward councillor and administrative staff. So now, what is mean by ward councillor and administrative staff? Okay, as you know that the rural administration contain lots of bigger authorities. Okay, having municipality, okay, municipal corporation and municipal council. Okay, they are just try to find out the or you can say they are try to solve the problems. Okay, but they for that they just choose, you can say, some ward members for their for particular areas. Okay, and for particular city, okay, we have chosen some ward councillor and administrative staff. So Yasmin Khala, I'm curious, who decides where a park should go? Okay, that means whose decision was that, whose decision is that? And did you have to make interesting decisions like this when you worked in the municipal corporation? Asked Rehana. Okay, no, Rehana, I was working in the account office of the corporation, so I just worked on pay slips. Okay, because I was accountant there. So cities are usually quite large, so municipal corporation has to make a lot of decision as well as do a lot of work to keep the cities clean. Okay, because as you know that this area of city is very much large, very much huge, so they have to take very lots of decision, okay, to do a single work. So the decisions like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. Okay, so for that particular decisions they have allotted that work to the ward councillors. Okay, and some administrative staffs. The city is divided into different wards, and ward councillors get elected. Okay, so the ward councillors get elected by the people, and the complicated decisions that affect the entire city are taken by the groups of councillors who form committee to decide and debate issues. Okay, if the particular issue is very much you can say the complex, so the entire councillors, okay, take part in that issues. Okay, and they decide and debate that particular issue. So for example, if bus stands need to be improved, or a crowded marketplace need to have its garbage cleared more regularly. Okay, so or there is a nala or a drain that cuts through the city that needs to cleaning. Okay, so that are all the huge decision. So it is this committee for water, garbage collection and street lighting, etc., that decide on the work to be done. Understood? So these all are the major works, okay, of the you can say the ward councillor and administrative staff. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.